Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put trend line equation in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put trend line equation. Now I am select these two data. Then go to the insert menu. Select the insert a scatter drop down menu, and now I am select the scatter chart. Now we can see here that series you can edit this. Here this is a trend line equation. You can increase the data of this. The trend line equation is then bigger. You can add any element or remove this element. Now we can see we put trend line equation in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.